Hey, it's Ian, and today I have an awesome item that'll help you do so much all around the house. This is the Reciprocating Saw drill attachment. Now let's take a closer look. Now this comes with 3 different saw blades that allows you to cut all types of different materials, like wood, plastic, and even metal. And what I love is that this is super easy to control because the handle can be placed in 2 different positions. Now, like I mentioned before, this attaches right to your drill, just like any other drill bit, so you can be up and running and ready to cut in under a minute. Now, one thing I do want to mention is safety first, so always remove the battery to the drill when attaching or detaching this. Now, one of my favorite parts about this is how compact it is, because this is about half the size of most other reciprocating saws. But that doesn't mean you're gonna sacrifice power, because this will cut just as good as a full-sized saw. We were able to cut this wood plank with ease, making little work of it. And it was a similar story when we got to the PVC pipe, because it cut through it like butter. Now, another convenient feature about this is it uses standard-sized saw blades, which are widely available at almost any hardware store. And of course, changing them out is super easy. Let me show you how. Now, first things first, make sure that there is no power source connected to this while you change it out. Then simply twist the quick release chuck and release the blade. Then insert the new blade into the chuck by twisting it. Then make sure it's fully inserted and double check that it is in there snug. Then lastly, double check that the saw blade is resting in the groove. Now, I'm sure this is going to be one of your most favorite drill attachments ever, and you're going to be finding more and more uses for this as time goes on. Now, we have an incredible deal for this on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on, so head on over there and grab yours today before they're all sold out.